Okay, so today we're just going to recap averages from a list. Now, hopefully this is a bit of revision for you. We've got 4 averages: the mode, the range, the mean and the median, that we're going to look at today. Okay, so the mode is the most common. So if you have numbers in a list, it is the number that appears the most. That is the most common. That's the mode. The range is the biggest number, take away the smallest number. That's how you calculate the range as an average. The mean is what we'd colloquially, so in real life when we talk about an average, we're normally talking about the mean, okay? And this is calculated by adding up all the numbers and then dividing by how many there are. So if there are 10 numbers, you divide by 10. Okay, and then the median as an average is the middle number. Now, when you are doing the median, it is very, very, very important that you put the numbers in order, okay? And you must do that before you calculate the median, otherwise it won't work. Okay, so we're going to do this little example that I've prepared here. So I've got a list of numbers: 8, 2, 5, 2, 17, 2, 10, 6 and 20. And we're going to find each of the averages for this list of numbers. Okay, if you need to pause, if I'm going too quickly, don't forget you can pause the video, write it down, do it as you go and then restart the video. Okay, so to calculate the mode is the most common. So it's the number that appears the most. So which number appears the most in this list of numbers is the number 2. So 2 is the mode. Okay, the range, question B, the range is the biggest number, take away the smallest number. So our biggest number is 20 and our smallest number is 2. So 20 take away 2 is 18. Now when you're doing this in your GCSE, you must show that you're taking them away, okay? Otherwise it won't work. Otherwise you won't get the full method marks, all right? Right, now the median. Now the median is the middle number, but we must put the numbers in order. So what that means is I've got to rewrite these numbers in order. You might, whenever you see a question like this, you might want to just put the numbers in order first of all before you calculate any of these, okay? Because that might make it easier. So when I'm doing the median, I'm going to put my numbers in order. So I've got 2, 2, 2, 5, 6, 8, 10, 17 and 20. Now what I like to do is count my numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and count my is that right, 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, count my numbers that I've written down and see if I've got the same amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. Okay, so then to calculate your median, you cross 1 from the beginning and 1 from the end to find your middle. So get rid of the 2, get rid of the 20. 2 and 17, 2 and 10, 5 and 8. And so your middle number is 6. So our median is 6. Now, if there isn't a middle number, because there are 10 numbers or 12 numbers or something, there's an even number of numbers, then what will happen is you won't be able to pair them up. So here I was pairing, pairing, pairing. You wouldn't be able to pair them up. If that happens, you'll be left with 2 numbers, and then you find the middle of those 2 numbers. Now, if you're struggling to find the middle of 2 numbers, you can just add the 2 numbers and half it. Okay? So, for example, so add them and half it. So, for example, if this was between 6 and 8, for example, then hopefully you'd know that the middle number of that is 7, but if not, you could do 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8 is 14, and then half it is 7. That's your middle number. Okay? And then for the mean, we are going to add all the numbers. So add all of these numbers that we have got. So 2, 2 and 2, 5 and 6, 8 and 10, 17 and 20. And then we are going to divide it by how many numbers there are, and we've already counted them. There are 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and you can put that into your calculator. You're not expected to do that in your head. So 20 plus 17 plus 10 plus 8 plus 6 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 72, and 72 divided by 9 is 8. If that is a decimal, then if they don't tell you what to round it to, I would round it to 1 decimal place. And that's it. Those are the 4 averages from a list.